We are getting ready to load up and head out to some yard sales. One of our favorite yard sales is happening today. The guy that holds this yard sale buys storage units, and then all of the excess he just holds a giant yard sale. And so at that point he just wants to get rid of stuff. Prices are always really good usually, and he has tons of interesting stuff to look through. So come along with us. Hopefully we can find some cool stuff to flip.
How you doing?
Doing good. How are you?
I'm tired.
Yeah.
I thought these were easy. Then once the wife gets involved, it's like
All the stuff has to come out.
yeah, go dig in storage for this.
I hate yard sales! Ah!
Bunch of random stuff.
Yeah.
A couple white hots in there.
Okay. Yeah, I was gonna look at the putters for sure.
And then, yeah, this one has a new grip on it.
Okay.
I freaking suck with them, but I suck with anything, so. And then this is the top flight from Dick's. That one's actually felt better to me than both of the white hots, but I thought the white hots would be
Gotcha. Oh.
change my life.
Yeah. Isn't that all golf equipment though?
Oh yeah,
I
dude.
think it's gonna change your life. What do you think on the putters?
I bought them for like 50 and 55.
Okay.
I put a grip on one. I'd probably sell them for like maybe 25 bucks each.
Okay. I'll think about it. How about for the backpack and the controller?
Backpack, I'd do like maybe $2 on it.
Okay.
And then controller, I don't know, where are you at on the controller? I checked it, there's no stick grips. I had to throw away a couple other controllers, but that
Okay.
one,
It worked everything last time?
seemed perfect. I just used my son's like rechargeable battery on it.
Oh, gotcha. We'll see what else we can find and throw it all together
Yeah,
and
that's good.
figure something out.
We've got some kids clothes and stuff too, I don't know. You got the van?
What'd you find? A little bit of everything.
A lot of cool stuff. Yeah, some nice golf. What's this? Is that cute?
I heard him say 20 on this one, so this is probably a no on that one. Yeah. Mitchell doesn't play for the Jazz anymore, so it's not going to be worth a ton. And then likewise with Gobert.
I thought this was cool.
That is cool, actually. It's
Yeah.
very cool.
We got the haul.
I think so. We found a few more things to
Okay.
throw in.
Alright.
Okay.
Let's
And
do
toss
some
it there.
math. We can do
You
it
said
right
like $2. Okay.
$2 on that. That one, this one's tough because I bought it for way more. It's like a vintage one. Our brother-in-law owns a vintage company, but
Okay.
I never wore it. What do you want to do on this? What do you think?
Some jackets for $5.
Okay, $5.
Yeah, we need $5.
How much was the backpack?
$2.
Oops.
So it was 3, 4.
2 for the girls.
So these would be 3.
Yeah, 3 each.
Okay, we're 17 and 2 pair of jeans.
I wanted
She's stingy on these.
25 for the jeans, but what do you thought on 20 each?
Maybe, maybe we'll pass on the jeans.
Okay.
They're cute.
I'm sure somebody will pick them up.
Yeah.
Let's. Kai, can you set those back over on the tarp for me? Thanks.
And then-
Could we do 8, make it 30 for everything?
Sure.
Does that work? Okay. Do you do Venmo? I heard you don't have a lot of change.
No,
Does
yeah, we'll
Venmo work?
do Venmo.
Okay.
We need hangers.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, I never even wore that one.
Okay.
That one I wore once, but
Slightly a shopaholic.
yeah. Yeah, I buy a bunch of crap and then never use it. If you can't.
You know, I do the same thing. This will probably end up something similar. So, hey, thank you guys.
Yeah, have a good one. Thanks, man.
What's that? Oh, are we okay to come look? Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Did you look at those Nikes?
I did. They're a little more than what I want to clean.
Oh, look at this. This is cool. Can you hold this for a second, please, Kai?
Hey, Kai, there's a penny by your foot.
We did end up leaving behind this bag of cameras. We love to pick up cameras at yard sales and even lenses, but we generally look for brands like Canon, Panasonic, Sony, and they were missing the charge cords and whatnot. So it was just a little more than we wanted to take on. But definitely be on the lookout for cameras at yard sales. They can be great items to flip.
Corner, he maybe topic with a have
Can I just put the stuff here in the little pile?
Oh yeah, okay.
You're welcome. One quick heads up, selling perfume, you can't sell open cosmetics on eBay. They have to be new, or in this case, it's a vintage perfume. You can sell it under collectibles, according to my knowledge, but definitely fact check that and just something to be aware of.
It was like a little black one. It was so cute.
The what?
I have enough money for the crossbow.
Yeah, I know, but we don't need the crossbow right now.
Mousy, you be careful out there. Don't shoot your eye out.
How's it going? Good, how are you? Good.
It's not as packed as last one, but
No, that's okay. This is a nice setup though back here with the tent and everything.
Yes,
Kinda...
Cute little guy.
I'll give it to you guys for 80 bucks. I'll do 80, yeah. You guys repeat customers.
Dogs.
So he said 80 for the two.
You'd do that for sure.
Yeah, you danger. Hey, thank you. Yeah, have a good one.
I'll check, and then I had a few other things in here if you want to look at real quick. Some shoes, a doll. These are like bulk perfumes.
Mm-hmm. Everything for $5?
Yeah, we'll do that, and then we're gonna do the books and that.
Okay, so
we're at 85. Okay, I'll keep track of everything else as we throw it in.
And the only thing it doesn't have is a little pin that you put on the.
Oh, gotcha.
Like on the hitch.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's one of those that like you could open up.
Okay.
You don't have to like, if you have to get to like, your back, you don't have to.
Right. Yeah, I think I think right there is the pivot
like that,
point. Yeah.
But the only bad thing about that, I mean, well, I don't think it affects it, but I don't know if it uses a key. I don't have a key.
Gotcha. I'm sure it does lock to some extent, but
yeah. I mean, something like this, dude, I'd probably give it to you for like $5.
okay.
You know, I mean, I think it's probably worth.
I'll take it for 5, mess with it, and figure out a key.
We did end up paying $5 for this whole bundle of video games. However, we didn't really check the condition, unfortunately. And so we're going to just sell them as a lot to somebody that has a resurfacer. There are just so many scratches on them. But that's just the way it goes sometimes, and a good reminder to always check condition and don't get in a hurry like we did. But still, it was $5 and we can still make some money on it.
Last time they sold, I think it was like for $1 a piece, but they had like the box and everything.
Yeah.
So you do like 5?
I do $5.
Okay,
Does that work?
Yeah, it works.
Okay.
You can get the prices.
Okay. Perfect. So I'm up to 10 in here.
Okay.
Mom.
guys ready?
Yeah, I think so. So we're gonna get, yeah, we're gonna get this. Okay, so we're 80 here, we're 10 here, 90, and then we got the bike rack and the scooter for $5 a piece, so it's $100.
$100.
Oh, how much for the
Oh,
pony?
You're included.
Okay, thank you.
Take it, you're good.
all right,
What do you
thanks,
say, Ryan?
appreciate it.
Thanks for letting us play with puppies too. They're
Yeah,
so cute.
Yep.
Honestly, and then.
Okay, I appreciate it.